Okay, markets are about to open and the first rates will start just coming up on your screen. It was a picture perfect Friday. It was a great Monday. Are we in for a super duper Tuesday? That's something which we need to figure out. It's a good start for the Nifty, 50 points higher for the Nifty, 82 points higher for the 82 points higher for the Bank Nifty. ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, all of them have started with a nick down. But the breadth is what I would like to bring out. The small cap index now in just 3 trading sessions, and today's data included, is up nearly 7.5%. That's a sizable comeback by the small cap index, and that just tells you that last week's shakeout, last week's sell-off, last week's risk of moment did not shake the confidence by small and mid cap traders. Okay, let's now start focusing on pharma names, because that's where the real action, excitement and the momentum is. So Divi's, Sun, Aurobindo, Glenmark, all of them, pharma names one by one, and you will see that there is no large follow-up buying there, but there is a rub of green. Now let's address the high momentum names where there is a hope and where there is a classic F&O action. Tata Motors, Z, to a large extent Tata Consumer, and then Vedanta on this news that they've got in principle approval for delisting. It's at 140 right now. So what do we have in the market? Markets are picking it up from where it left. There is a group of leadership which belongs to Reliance, IT and Pharma, that is doing well. There's a group of laggard, which is banks and more banks and NBFCs, which today is outperforming. Aisha?
Yeah, I just want to quickly check in on Vedanta as well. Just a short while back, both the BSE and NSE as well gave their nod for delisting. Cipla, they've got the final okay for a generic version of a biogen drug. BPCL, now that they're going to be selling part of the treasury shares via block deal, and a decision on that is going to be taken on 15th October. That's going to be another stock which should see some relief. Let's also check in on Shalby Hotels. They're looking to reduce the promoter holding to now 75% and increase the public holding to 25%. JP Morgan, which prefers life insurance over other insurance companies, SBI Life being their top pick, and Credit Suisse, which maintains an outperform on LNT with a target price of 11.50 on our radars this morning. Very quickly then, want to check in on the momentum buzzers from yesterday. What with the move coming in on a Jubilant Foodworks and an S-Cos, and then of course PVR and Inox as well. PVR in fact jumped up a solid 12.5% in trade yesterday after the West Bengal government said that they're going to be opening multiplexes that come October. Today it's a very different looking screen. BPCL definitely is seeing a rebound. Hindalco, Adani Enterprises, SBI Life, and surprise, surprise, it's SRF, which is actually a top winner within the F&O universe with a 2.5% uptick coming in. On the flip side, sharp cracks for Idea, that's down 5%. There's Lupin, there's Oro Pharma, there's Infratel and Power Grid. So Pharma is somewhat ebbing off, you could say. Nikunj?
Well, 200 points higher for the Sensex, about 60-65 points higher for the Nifty. Sanjay Mukim joins us now, have research with JP Morgan to talk about where valuations are, what is he getting, what sense is he getting from institutional investors, and how long will this underperformance continue in banks. Sanjay,